So Smarter Contact has a new feature. It's keyword campaigns. And so you can put in keywords and then have your Smarter Contact AI automatically respond to people who say a certain keyword. The limitation that hopefully they'll fix is you can only use one word. So you can't use phrases like not interested or wrong number or things like that. But you can use, like we're putting in some profanity words that people use just to filter those out quickly. And we're putting in like million because people say $1 million all the time. And so we've got a quick response to that AI can do so we don't have to filter through those manually. And so in order to do this, you go to your Smarter Contract dashboard. Here's our keyword templates. They live under campaigns. So you just have to go to over here, keyword templates, and then you just add a new keyword. And when you do that, you put in your keyword. And they only allow, like I said, one word, no punctuation. And then you put your whatever your response is above this reply stop, and then you can save the keyword. So that's how you save them. And then once you have them saved, you can do a campaign. So you can see we have our profanity words, sold millions. So we'll do sold right now. Add new key. Whoops, no, not add new keyword. Go to campaign, new campaign, and then keyword campaign is here. And so then campaign name will go sold. And we don't do send first message because we're not trying to send a campaign. We're just creating it as an auto reply. And then the keyword, we're going to do sold, just here, save that. And it looks like you can add a new keyword on the fly here too, so you don't have to pre-populate it. But then phone numbers, you want to tell it which phone numbers you want it to govern. So I'm doing all of our North Carolina phone numbers because that's where we're currently marketing. So we're just going to add those all into that campaign. So anybody who responds with the word sold to the campaign, to any of these phone numbers, will get an automated response rather than whoever is managing the text having to respond to them. So yeah, we've got all of our North Carolina phone numbers in there. If we were doing Ohio, Tennessee, Florida, we would do that. But so those are all our phone numbers we want the campaign to operate on. And then when a contact replies via text or call, you just leave that there. These groups in our world, they're all campaigns, so I leave that alone. And then select label. We can put disqualified if it's sold, and that's probably the right one. So we'll just put that in there and then just go next. And here they're asking me to top up my balance because we've exceeded our plan limit for text for the month. And so I'm just confirming that, but you wouldn't have that if you hadn't exceeded your plan limit. And that is the tutorial for the keyword campaigns in Smarter Contact. Bada bing, bada boom.